I've been in the full-time ministry over 30 years, and to every church we go to, and a lot of them are teeny tiny churches. How long you been pastoring? Oh, 10 years. Really? How long you been pastoring? Oh, 15 years. Well, I mean, and I walk into the service and there's 22 people in there. And I'm like, really? You've been pastoring 15 years and you're running 22 people? You know, and I found two reasons why Christians don't share their faith. Number one is fear, right? And number two is they don't know how. Well, I found a solution 25 years ago and have trained hundreds and hundreds of churches and tens of thousands of Christians on how to share their faith one-on-one. It's simple and it's free. And I want to share it with you. Like, subscribe, and share this channel for more information.